Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by measuring your current habits with a clear tracking plan. Track your screen time for 7 days and record total minutes per day. Use built-in tools or an app to log usage and export a simple list of minutes. Note the top 3 apps and how many minutes each app gets daily. Write these numbers down in a note you can review. Set a realistic baseline like 30 minutes of social apps per day and keep that record visible. Decide concrete boundaries and automate them for easier compliance. Use app limits to restrict selected apps to 30 minutes per day. Schedule tech-free windows like 60 minutes before bed and during meals. Put your phone on Do Not Disturb during focused work or family time. Charge your phone outside the bedroom and use a 1-hour alarm routine to wind down. Review and adjust limits weekly based on your tracked progress and how you feel. Replace impulsive phone checks with short alternative habits you enjoy. Replace phone checks with a 5-minute breathing or journaling habit when urges strike. Keep a list of quick activities like a 5-minute walk or water refill. Reward progress weekly and reduce non-essential use by 25% each month to build momentum. Review your usage every Sunday and adjust goals for the next week. Celebrate small wins and repeat the plan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.